What if luxury didn't just turn heads, but left jaws on the floor? Forget blending in, this is about rewriting the rules, crafting icons, and stirring emotions. Ready to meet the future of Jaguar? Let's dive in. When it comes to making a bold statement, we're better to showcase Jaguar's fearless reimagination than Miami Art Week. A celebration of audacity, art, and the unconventional, it's the perfect stage for the debut of Jaguar's next great chapter. In today's world, grabbing attention isn't easy, but Jaguar's creative rebirth is here to break the mold. Jaguar's return to the spotlight honors a legacy of defining norms. Think about the icons of British creativity, David Bowie, Vivienne Westwood, and architect Richard Rogers. These trailblazers didn't just challenge conventions, they redefined them. Similarly, when Jaguar's design team is at its best, they throw the rulebook out the window, creating icons like the E-Type and XJS, true objects of desire. The philosophy behind Jaguar's transformation can be traced back to founder Sir William Lyons, who famously said a Jaguar should be a copy of nothing. This mantra drives Jaguar's reinvention today, urging the brand to embrace bravery, fearlessness, and originality. Forget being held back by the past. Jaguar's mission is to create new objects of desire. And the first embodiment of this ethos? Enter Type 000, Jaguar's stunning reimagination of what a luxury EV can be. The Type 0000 is a sculpture of modern exuberance. Let's talk proportions. This EV doesn't follow the typical design cues of an electric vehicle. Why should it? Instead, it flaunts a jaw-dropping long bonnet, emphasizing elegance over conformity. Dramatic intersections and modern flowing surfaces combine to create an utterly mesmerizing silhouette. Every detail of the Type 0000 tells a story of Jaguar's commitment to excellence. Its uncompromising design philosophy runs through the car's entirety, from its bold proportions to its finest elements. Every symbol on the vehicle signifies Jaguar's fearless new vision. The iconic leaper is still here, but it's always leaping forward, symbolizing progress and reinvention. The monogram serves as a seal of approval, a hallmark of Jaguar's quality. And then there's the Strikethrough, which you'll find woven into the car's details. It represents Jaguar's bold desire to strike through convention and rewrite the rules of car design. This fearless creativity is reflected in every inch of the Type 0000, ensuring it stands out in a sea of look-alike vehicles. Step inside and the sense of drama continues. The Type 0000's interior is a showcase of forward-thinking materials, tactile surfaces, and meticulous attention to detail. The goal? To create a true sense of occasion every time you step behind the wheel. And then there's the color palette. Jaguar is weaving its heritage and modern inspirations into the mix, with London Blue, a nod to its British roots, and the classic E-Type, and Miami Pink, a playful tribute to the city's vibrant architecture, art, and even its soccer team. While the Type 0000 dazzles with its design, its technology is just as groundbreaking. Unlike anything else on the market, Jaguar's upcoming range of vehicles will ride on a completely unique electric platform. And this isn't just about looks. Jaguar's EVs will deliver on performance too. With an impressive range of 430 miles and the ability to churn out 1,000 horsepower, these are set to be the most powerful Jaguars ever built. From city streets to winding roads, these cars are engineered to turn heads and ignite adrenaline. Jaguar isn't trying to please everyone, and that's precisely the point. Fearless creativity doesn't cater to the masses. Some will love Jaguar's bold new direction immediately. Others might need time to come around, and sure, some may never fall for it. But that's okay. Great art, great design, and great ideas always stir emotions. The Type 0000 is a rallying cry for creative audacity, a reminder that the best things in life don't follow the rules. Jaguar's arrived at a thrilling crossroads, and the journey ahead promises to be extraordinary. But one thing's certain, Jaguar isn't just Mac, it's roaring louder than ever. Are you excited as we are about Jaguar's bold leap into the future? Which detail blew your mind the most? Those jaw-dropping proportions or the promise of 1,000 electric horses? Let us know in the comments below. And hey, if you love exploring the cutting edge of design and tech, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Stay fearless, and we'll see you on the next adventure.